here is my code for this exercise. In addition to the imports of the previous code, I also added import time. Then what I did is I indented this code and inserted under this while loop. So this code will be executed an unlimited number of times every 60 seconds. So in the first iteration, we're going to create an SMTP object instance. In that same iteration, we're going to send out the email, we're going to print out email sent, and then we're going to stop the iteration for 60 seconds. After the 60 seconds pass, the loop will run again with another email sent out to the receiver email address. So if I run this script, you will see that email send is printed out and we should see the email has just been sent out at this time. So after 60 seconds, we're going to get another email sent printed out in here. Here we go, and here is the new email as well. So the first one, the second one, and that's the code. Thanks.